Need to add a header or footer in Microsoft Word? Whether it's your name, document title or company logo, Word makes it really easy. Let me show you. Go to the Insert tab, then choose Header or Footer. You can pick one of Word's built-in designs or choose blank if you want to create your own. Simply replace the placeholder text with whatever you want. You can format it just like normal text. Change the font, size, colour, alignment, or even insert a logo. When you're finished, click Close Header and Footer, or simply double-click anywhere back in the document. If you ever need to make changes, just double-click at the top or the bottom of the page and the header or footer opens again. If you're creating a report with a title page, tick Different First Page on the header and footer ribbon. That lets you leave the cover page blank while keeping headers and footers on the rest of the document. And that's it. Your header or footer now appears automatically throughout your document. In the next video, I'll show you how to have different headers and footers on different pages. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more top tech tips. Bye bye.